Ayan, so ito na siya. Kasama ko si Ate Angel. I-rate natin yung, ang tawag dito na,
Pistachio kunafa.
kunafa. Kung tama yung pronunciation namin, ha.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. So today, magta-try tayo ng something super exciting. Ita-try natin ang pistachio kunafe. So yung sister-in-law ko, kauuwi niya lang from Qatar at for a quick vacation. And one of the things she brought us as pasalubong is this delicious chocolate pistachio kunafe. So we've never tried this before, so we're really curious to see what it tastes like. And of course, we want to share it with you. Now, I'm not sure if this is more popular in Saudi or Dubai. I think in Dubai, but I've heard that it's all well-known treat across the Middle East, and apparently it's pretty pricey too. So, si Qatar, they even came out with its own local brand of kunafe, and today we're going to try it.
Ayan, so ito na siya. Kasama ko si Ate Angel. I-rate natin yung, ang tawag dito na,
Pistachio kunafa.
kunafa. Kung tama yung pronunciation namin, ha. So, from Qatar, thank you Ate Cheng, Tita Cheng, for giving us this chocolate. And sige, ate, kuha ka na. First time kong makatikim nito. So, let's try. Galing, may color-color pa siya. Nakita niyo naman kanina, 'di ba? So, let's try it. Actually, fan ako ng mga chocolate na hindi lang siya pure chocolate. Yung may wafer, may peanut. Si ate, anong mga type ng chocolate?
Ano pa?
Puro.
May nuts.
May nuts. Oh. Sarap din yun. May nuts and may raisins. Yun. Yung basta hindi lang siya pure. May something siyang kasama. So, diba? Hap. Ang sarap niya. No? Tamang-tama lang yung pagka-blend ng chocolate dun sa pistachio. Paano may i-pronounce? Pistachio. Ang sarap. Parang ano na. Anong texture nung nasa gitna? Crunchy?
Crunchy.
Crunchy dun sa middle, which is yung pistachio. And then yung chocolate naman is tamang-tama lang. So, ang sarap niya. Rate natin, 10 is the highest, 1 is the lowest. For you.
9.5.
9.5. Ako dahil first time ko to, and I really like it. And my sister-in-law gave it to me. So, I'll give 10. Ang sarap talaga niya. So, try nyo kung nasa Qatar kayo o nasa Middle East. Itong pistachio kunafa from Qatar. I think meron din sa Dubai, mas mahal lang. At sikat daw yon.
Same brand.
Same brand. Pero si Qatar, gumawa na rin sila ng sarili nila, local. Ang sarap niya. Promise. So, if you can find it online, try nyo din. At hindi lugi ang inyong bayad. Parang tinignan ni Ate Angel, sa peso, ito ay nasa 1,000 1,800 yung isang ganito. Isang chocolate na ganun. Pinakita natin sa video kanina. So, thank you so much for joining us sa pagtikim ng chocolate na ito. At sana na-enjoy niyo yung aming video. Thank you kay Ate Angel for helping me with this vlog. So, thanks so much. Please like and subscribe. God bless you all.